Good morning everyone, we've got some thrilling news straight from German retailer Lucky Bricks. They've just given us our very first look at two highly anticipated Lego Star Wars sets, releasing on the 1st of August. First up is set 75385, Ahsoka Tano's Duel on Peridia. Priced at $54 and made up of 382 pieces, this set is packed with an incredible lineup of characters from the hit series Ahsoka, including the debut of live-action Ezra Bridger and the long-awaited return of Grand Admiral Thrawn. I love this set, not only for its incredible minifigure selection, but also for the actual display itself. It looks great with deep detailing and a fantastic play feature. From the aerial shot, you can see all the different play features, including the ability to spin the big dish on the front, as well as the two smaller dishes in the centre. Let's talk about the figures. The detail on these minifigures is outstanding, and it's amazing to finally get Ezra and Thrawn in minifigure form. Starting with Grand Admiral Thrawn, who looks amazing with his distinctive blue skin and detailed uniform. We've also got a Night Trooper, which looks equally as cool with its unique bandaged armour. Ahsoka Tano in her white outfit is phenomenal, with fantastic arm printing and detailed design. Ezra looks great too, with his new face print and detailed outfit. Lastly, we have Morgan Elsbeth, who has a new face print with markings from the Night Sisters, and her weapon build is pretty smart as well. Duel scene set on Peridia looks like it will be a fantastic build for fans of the show. Next we have set 75396, Desert Skiff and Sarlacc Pit. Priced at $80 with 558 pieces, this is one of the final 25th anniversary sets we've been waiting for. The Desert Skiff is a classic format for Lego Star Wars, and this set doesn't disappoint with its lineup of characters. The set also includes Boba Fett, new Luke Skywalker with updated printing, Han Solo with a new torso, and Lando Calrissian in his Skiff Guard outfit. And of course, Chewie's there as well. The minifigure selection is pretty good though, maybe another Skiff Guard would have been nice, and the special 25th anniversary Nien Nunb with a fantastic new head mold and detail printing. The Skiff itself is a bit smaller than I expected considering the price, however it does include some great play features like a falling rail and a plank for Luke to jump off. The Sarlacc Pit is where most of the pieces seem to go, with a large sand build, tentacle and a mouth that can open and close. However, it's worth noting that the pricing seems quite steep. For some context, set 62110, Jabba's sail barge, it was $75 at release, whereas the Desert Skiff is $80. If you're looking to complete the full display stand with the new sail barge, it's definitely going to be an investment. Of course, we are still waiting on their Jedi Bob set. It is still apparently happening, so don't worry. Alongside these two sets, don't forget about the other exciting August releases, including the Dark Falcon, TIE Fighter and X-Wing mashup, C-3PO, and the creative Play Droid Builder. It's shaping up to be quite an epic summer for Lego Star Wars fans. What do you think of these new sets? Are you excited to add Ahsoka's Duel on Peridia and the Desert Skiff and Sarlacc Pit to your collection? Share your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, thank you very much for watching, and may the Force be with you. Bye!